In this video, I want to look at the price of Picoin and the weights. This is an advice for Picoin traders at this time. Right now, Picoin is trading around 0.5598 and it's getting very close to the support zone near 0.55. It dropped to 0.54 during the day, that was yesterday, so we may say the support level has been tested. The volume is quite low. There is no clear move from either buyers or sellers. On the MACD side, there is not much going on, whether the lines are very close and the histogram bars are almost non-existent, and this means that the momentum is very weak. The chart also shows indecision and consolidation. If it drops below 0.5470 or 5460, you will see it heading towards 0.5360 or even 0.52 or even returning to 0.4, and then possibly it will consolidate at that point. But for an upward breakout, it needs to go above 0.58 with a strong green candle and volume. So right now, the smartest move is to wait and see and only take a position based on the breakout direction. Trading at these levels is risky since the market hasn't clearly decided where it is headed yet. So trade with caution and let's make the pips from the trading of Picoin. See you in the next one.